2018 Honda Accord Hybrid Review. The Honda Accord Hybrid is redesigned for 2018 and receives a host of comprehensive improvements. The Honda Accord Hybrid is really a class leader for quite a while thanks to its excellent fuel economy, roomy interior, and above-the-average handling and acceleration. For 2018, the Accord Hybrid gets best of all. Like the regular Accord, it's fully redesigned and possesses even more interior space, along with a sharp, fresh look and new technology and safety measures. Now standard security measures such as adaptive cruise control, forward collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring and lane departure warning add a considerable amount of value to your base Accord Hybrid. The new Accord Hybrid also gets an upgrade to cargo capacity because of a repackaged hybrid battery. Previously, the Accord Hybrid's battery power kept you folding about the rear seat, but no longer. The Hybrid now has the same 6040 split folding rear seat as well as the same cargo space because standard Accord, 16.7 cubic feet. Underneath the hood, the 2018 Accord Hybrid has got the same powertrain as last year's model, a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine mated with a pair of electric motors. The hybrid system has lost one step in the changeover, even when it is often a tiny one, going from an estimated 48 miles per gallon combined in 2017 to 47 miles per gallon combined in 2010. Still, it is really an impressive number for any car this size. In short, one of the better hybrid sedans just adopted better. If you're looking for any practical hybrid with plenty of space from the back seat for adults, the 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid ought to be at the top of your list. What's new? The Honda Accord Hybrid is fully redesigned for 2018. Even the bottom Accord Hybrid gets adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning and forward collision mitigation this current year. But we'd upgrade slightly and select the X. The X gets switch larger touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability, an alternative 8-speaker stereo, and blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert. It's a large amount of equipment only for a marginal begin price. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid can be purchased in 5 trim levels: Base, X, EXL, EXLW and RV and Touring. Powering every 2018 Honda Accord Hybrid is usually a 2.0-litre four-cylinder engine hitched up to your pair of electric motors which might be fed by the lithium-ion battery power. Total system power is 212 horsepower. Standard equipment for the Camp Hybrid includes 17-inch alloy wheels, automatic headlights, LED taillights, keyless ignition and entry, dual-zone automatic climate control, a manually adjustable driver's seat, a 7-inch central display, active noise cancellation, Bluetooth, a rear-view camera, and also a 4-speaker speakers with a USB port. Adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning with automatic braking, lane departure warning and lane keeping assist may also be standard. Going together with the X gets you the above, as well as a sunroof, LED fog lights, heated mirrors, heated front seats, a power-adjustable driver's seat, an 8-inch touchscreen with upgraded smartphone integration via Honda Link, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an alternative sound system with 8 speakers, satellite and HD radio as well as an additional USB port. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert is additionally standard for the X. Move up towards the XL to have an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, driver memory settings, a power-adjustable front passenger seat, leather upholstery, along with a 10-speaker stereo. The EXLW RV is outfitted like an EXL but while using added benefit for a navigation system. Lastly, the Touring adds adaptive suspension dampers, LED headlights with automatic high beam control, front and back parking sensors, wireless smartphone charging, a motorist head-up display, ventilated front seats and heated rear seats. Trim tested. Has not really driven any version in this vehicle, but we have now experience having a standard Accord. The following is our first handle. What's significant about this and how much? Driving. The hybrid powertrain gives decent thrust, making for good passing power around the highway and off-the-line power inside the city. Based on our impressions on the standard Accord, handling capability has been enhanced over the previous generation, especially using the optional adaptive suspension. Comfort. A longer wheelbase provides the new Accord more rear legroom along having a better ride quality. It offers a superb balance of comfort and capability. We haven't driven the revolutionary Accord Hybrid yet, but our experience with all the standard car demonstrates that the hybrid should have a smooth ride quality. Interior. Depending about the trim level you ultimately choose, the Accord Hybrid can seem to be downright luxurious. Even on the camp trim, the cabin is comfortable and well equipped, and you can upgrade to available creature comforts, for example ventilated seats, leather upholstery and wireless cell phone charging. Utility. The redesigned Accord Hybrid now has got the exact same cargo space because standard Accord 16.7 cubic feet, using the battery hidden to accommodate your cargo needs. The back seat now folds down in the same way in a normal Accord, a large upgrade from last year's model that lacked obviously any good pass-through. Technology. Even the Camp Accord Hybrid trim level comes with an impressive range of technology, including adaptive cruise control and forward collision mitigation. Mid-level trims include smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and acquire a larger 8-inch touchscreen.